Okay. Bubble, bubble. Look at Carly, the little bubbles. You gonna put this on YouTube?
Carly. Uh-oh.
No.
Carly.
No.
Carly.
Uh-oh. That's just... What are you frying?
What are you doing?
What are your froggies doing?
What's your froggies doing? Good froggy? Why did you do that? Carly, don't do that now. Don't. Why are you mad?
No,
No.
she likes splashing.
Don't do that. I think we're encouraging that. That's not good.
Here, Carly. Nice.
Nice face.
Nice.
Nice face,
Nice
sweet.
face.
Carly! No. Don't hurt yourself. Uh-oh, you can't get out. No, no. Do you want to get out now? Should we get out? No?
Hey.
Say no? Oh, okay, we won't get out. Don't hit yourself anymore. Carly, no. You're funny.
What are you doing? In the name of babies in the bathtub, what are you doing?
You can't get out.
She just got water on my head.
What are you doing?
You just like getting wet. Now I'm here.
Okay. Oh, we're gonna have to wash the floor. Oh my gosh. Oh! Oh! Okay. Okay. You better get the. Is the fan close to the water?
Why? Why should it not be?
Yeah.
Here.
Okay, we're good. Oh, no, 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 no.
Carly, what the heck?